Hey everyone, this is Jason Chapman with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to do a brief walkthrough on a 2025 Harris 250 Grand Mariner, and I'm going to go over my 3 favorite features of this pontoon. Right off the bat here on the stern of the boat, we have our rear-facing lounger. This is in the up position, or you can lay this down into a complete sun pad. And then we also have our dual helm captain and co-captain seating up here. My second favorite feature is the ion tower, so you can control this at the helm or with a key fob. So it's easy to go up and down and for storage. And then you also have your total lighting package on there, so you can rotate through the different color cycles. And as we make our way through the boat here, 25 foot in length, we have a lot of room moving about, lots of seating up in the bow. And then in the cockpit area here, third favorite feature is going to be the raised helm. And then we have the twin Simrad displays with all your engine diagnostics, vitals, chart plotting. Everything's really accessible here at the helm. We have a really nice pattern stitching, tilt steering wheel, and then our digital throttle and shift. Beautiful boat. This is a 2025 Harris 250 Grand Mariner. It's here at our store in Rogers. Give us a call or stop on by. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.